Welcome back to Outside Rusted Junk Garage. Today, we're doing a little bit of yard work. We're going to take the garden tractor out here and we're going to tow around the Brinly Aerator. We use 3 of the cinder blocks on it and it pulls a couple inch plugs on it. So we're going to go around the lawn here and aerate. We've got about 11,000 square feet of grass here. So we got a little bit to do. So let's get started. You can see it pulling the plug as the tines penetrate. And we just run this thing a little bit off idle. I do have 4 bricks, but we've had so much rain, the ground is pretty moist. So 3's doing a pretty decent job for us. You can kind of see over here the plugs that it's pulling as we do this. So it's just a matter of idling around, covering it all, and sometimes I crisscross a little bit too to try to get a little better pattern. But pretty easy job. It's nice to have these tools to do it, so that works out real well. Let's tow this along here a little bit more and put some holes in here, and then we're going to put some fertilizer on it after this. I put the moss control on already, so we'll continue on. Over, halfway over the fire holes, and get a few more in it. These are spaced, I don't know, 6-8 inches apart in lengthwise and widthwise, and you can kind of see the plugs down there that it's pulling. So pretty simple process. Actually, real easy work. Kind of going back over this area on the side. This seems to be pretty hard in the summer. We do have underground irrigation here, so, but it costs a fortune to water all this. Here's a little bit of a view of the back here. We kind of swing through here. So 11,000 square feet. It takes to aerate it about 40 minutes at idle on the lawn tractor here. Not too bad. You know, we kind of do go over some areas more than once to get the good aeration in there. Do this twice a year and try to keep it in pretty decent shape. You can kind of see the tracks there, and I kind of split them in half when I come through the next time to give it a little more concentrated aeration. I don't know if it does any good, but that's kind of the way I do it. It seems to work. So, and these implements aren't that expensive. I've had this one, about 5 years now, and gosh, if I remember back, it was about $90, maybe $100 back then. So I don't know, it's probably 150 or more now. I haven't checked. It does a good job. Came with a few extra tines and stuff, which I haven't broke one yet, so it works real well. I'm pretty pleased with it. Taking a couple more passes along the hedge here. This gets pretty dry in here in the summer because the hedge soaks up quite a bit of the moisture. So the more moisture we get down to the grass there, well, I think the better off we're going to be. You can still see some of the moss in here, the moss treatment. It's still working, so hopefully that knocks the majority of that out. I may do a light thatch. Could be okay. We'll see. We'll just see how it comes through and how the moss dies out. It's 29th of April, I think. What they say we're going to get today, so it's just perfect for this kind of activity. Coming through the back here again. And going over some of this area here. This is kind of one of the problem areas. The trees, all the trees there, they got a root system going down through here. Really suck up the moisture, so this aeration will help get it to the roots with the fertilizer and stuff, so it should be good. So anyway, there you have it. That's how it turned out. Take a look at the size of the plugs there. Like I said, they're 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Here's a good shot of one right there. Looks like a goose was all over the yard. So anyway, we got it done. Time to get a little fertilizer on it now. Get the tractor cleaned up and the aerator put away. That's pretty wide, so you're covering, I don't know what that is. I think it might be 48 inches or something like that. So it works out real well. Had this thing about 5-6 years now, so held up real well. Thanks for joining us today outside Rusted Junk Garage for a video of aerating the lawn. Fun project. On to the next one. Catch you later. And the part number, there it is. Good piece of equipment. Real pleased with it.